Well, I'm here at the Flying Bean Cafe to do a bit of drone flying, and as I arrived, so did the grass cutters. Yeah, well, this was the major one, the absolute major one that the road went, and the landslip across the road as well, so big job to fix this one. Not sure if there's any more, can't remember. I have a feeling that's the last one. Well, I'm here at the Flying Bean Cafe to do a bit of drone flying, and as I arrived, so did the grass cutters. So we'll see how we get on with them. The two nice blokes though, one doing the whippersnippering and another fellow driving a slasher. They both said that I could fly the drone and they would let me know if I was in their way, which is very nice of them. Okay, let's get the drone flying.